So in today's video, I'm gonna be walking you through the Linea Park quest, which is hosted on Layer 3 platform. And at the end, I've got for you a bonus point, so I'm gonna be showing you how you can earn easily 200 points. So now let's talk about the important stuff that you need to know before you're gonna get started. So we know the Linea will go live today, which is 20th of Feb. And it will go live for 6 weeks, and they're gonna be launching gaming and Web3 social quests. So now, before you're gonna get started, you'll need to complete your proof of humanity process. And the way how you do it, you'll need to go to this dashboard. I'm gonna link it down below. And here you need to complete one of these from group A, which for example, I have in my case, the NFT. I think this is the easiest way you can do that. And you can go to Linea Marketplace, which is Element Market. And in here you can select alpha, beta, gamma, or delta. You cannot use the omega one. You can only use these four. So you can select, for example, delta, and you will be qualified. So once we have one of these NFTs already, these NFTs were basically given to you for testnet participation. So if you have that one, you don't have to buy it. So one of the criteria from group A could be this, but you can also have a passport. So it doesn't really matter what you have. But I think the NFT is better. So if you can get it, I definitely recommend you to guys get the NFT. So I'm going to be showing you in a second. And also we need to have 2 from the group B. So in this case, I've got the open ID and also I have this 0 score. So you can complete 2 of these. It doesn't really matter which one you're going to choose. You just need to complete 2 of these to get the proof of humanity, and you'll see that on the top. So once you're going to see this green button like that, you will be eligible for that. So now they have something like VIP zone, which essentially you will receive redemption coupon to double your XP earnings in your quest. So now the tier number 1, which is the testnet voyage NFT, and you can have alpha, beta, gamma, delta. So all of these that I showed you, except the last one. Or if you have more than 1700 LXP in your wallet, you will be having the tier 1. So tier 2 is essentially if you have 1200 points in your wallet, and it will give you 2 coupons that will allow you to get double LXP on your next bonus task. And tier 3 is you need to hold at least 600 LXP in your wallet, and this coupon will allow you to get double LXP on your next bonus task. So you got only one. So some of these games they're gonna be hosting is RPG MMO. We've got also action and strategy, social, so maybe like connecting Twitter and Discord and all that stuff. I'm just speculating, it might be completely different thing. Also we've got the experience, East, mini games, so you can see how many quests they've got, so quite a lot. Also NFT land, and we've got the end. So this is going to last for 6 weeks, and I definitely encourage you guys to just participate in that because you want to earn as much LXP as possible. So now you can see we've got the VIP zone. So if you click on it, you can see I have 2 coupons because I already used one. And this coupon essentially double your LXP on your next bonus task. So you can click on redeem if you want to get it, and it's going to boost your points later on. So now let's get into it, and you can see this dashboard looks really cool. I really like to complete different Layer 3 quests because they give you a nice layout of what protocols looks like, and essentially walking you step by step. If you never use anything like, for example, zkSync, you just, start participating using different protocols. So now we're going to go and click on the first one, and it's going to open up another page. And you'll see you've got the get started page. So now you can see on the bottom it says that you will need to complete the POH attestation via Verax, and then you will be eligible to claim your LXP rewards. If you don't have that one, you're not gonna be earning anything. So just make sure guys you focus on this one in first order. We're gonna click on begin, basically read about what is Linea Voyage and all this stuff. And here you're gonna be answering quick questions. So let's click all of them. Then you're gonna have simple quests like follow them on Twitter. And now we've got our quest completed. So for this one, we got 0. So now we've got this one is completed. Number 1 is gonna repeat that, so you can watch the video about the second one. And you'll see 6 weeks, 7 zones, 40 games to choose from. So you can read about everything in detail if you want to take your time and do it slowly. And you'll see also you've got the referral. So you can share your referral and you will be earning also LXP points. So if you guys want to use my referral, it will be down below. So now we've got 2 questions. So one of these questions is you want to select all of them as well. And again, you want to click all of them. So for this one, we've got 0 points again. And now we're going to go into the security quest, continue. And you want to say, no, I wouldn't. In case the game wants to get your recovery phrase, you just say no. So now it's really simple, but it's not going to be that simple later on. So just skip to the next one again, and we're gonna install the snaps right now, I believe. So if you click okay, so now we're gonna click install snaps. If you're clicking on install, it's gonna pop up. You can come back to it and click on continue. And then you wanna select the option number 3, so just click continue. Another one, you want to select the option number 3 and click continue. And we've got 30 points from this quest. So now we've completed this section number 1. So next up, we can go to some of these quests. And these quests will essentially require you to sometimes install the game, which I'm not gonna be doing because I don't know what I'm downloading on my computer. So I'm just gonna skip this as, for example, downloading this game. But you can complete the other ones. Like, for example, you can go through the introduction and all this stuff. So this quest is paused for 24 hours because they have a bug on the website where you couldn't mint the NFT. So they're gonna fix that tomorrow, so you can skip this for today. But when you're gonna be watching it, it probably is going to be available. Another one, we have the Gamer Genesis. In here is really simple. We just click begin and it's gonna walk you through. You need to skip through the other ones. So now we need to sign up to Genesis Proof. So click on this button, and once you're on the website, you want to click yes, let's boom. And now your wallet is going to pop up and you'll need to sign a small fee to essentially log into the platform. So now once you got that, you can register your account fully if you want to. I'm just gonna skip it for now and you can go back to the platform. You can click verify. So now we're gonna get 15 points. And now you can claim your bonus oath NFT, and you can do that by opening the second link. And in here you can see people almost minted out that one, so it's probably going to be too late. The free is already sold out, and this one is going to be sold out in a second. So this one is a bonus task, which is not necessary to do that. You can skip it if you want, but you can also mint it if you want. So it's really up to you. You're gonna get some additional points, which is 25. And now we completed the other one, and we've got 15 points. So next time we have deciders, and so you wanna skip this all the way through to our quest. Click continue, and now you can claim your mystery box. So on the main website, will ask you to connect your wallet. So once you do that, you can click claim bonus NFT. So click on this button, and now you can claim this. So your MetaMask is gonna pop up, and you'll need to sign up the transaction, which is gonna cost me $1. So now you can click on verify, and we're gonna get additional points. So the next one you can do is you can open the box. So we're gonna click on release, and then we can select one box to release. So click on release. And now your MetaMask is going to pop up and you need to sign again 30 cents transaction. So now the TX is processing and let's see what we're going to get. So now this is completed. You can go back to your quest and you can click on verify. And if you want to get additional tasks, you'll need to actually play the game. So for now, I'm going to click on the skip button, and now we've got the another one completed. And now we've got the total of 90 points. So next up, we can go ahead and click on this one. So click on begin. And to do that, you'll need to create an account. So once you're going to have your account, you're going to earn 15 points. So now you're going to connect your wallet, select Linea, select MetaMask. So now the app doesn't work for me. It's probably overloaded. Too many people try to do it at the same time. So you can try it again later on, and it's going to be very simple because you just need to create the account. You're probably going to sign a cheap transaction. So once that's completed, you can click on verify. So I'm going to skip it for now because it doesn't work. So now I'm going to go over to the next quest, which is the Meta Ape City. And this is the game where you'll need to install that on your phone. So you'll need to play this game and upgrade your city hall to level 5. And you will be able to claim 25 LXP points. So when you're going to open this guide, it's going to get you to the Google Chrome page. And then you will be able to see how you can install this game. So if you're happy with that, if you want to install that on your phone, you can complete that and then you can click continue and verify that you did this quest. I'm going to skip it for now. And the last quest we have is this. So this is the advanced difficulty. So in here, you will need to install that game on your computer as well. I'm personally very skeptical when it comes to some random games. I don't want to install that on my computer, so I'm just going to do the basics, and I'm going to skip these ones that you have to install something on your machine. So we're going to skip this one for now. So now, I promise you guys that I'm going to be showing you how you can earn additional 200 points, and it's going to be easier than this quest. So in here, we're going to use the ZK bridge. So first, you need to connect your wallet. So they collaborated with Polyhedra Network, and essentially, what you need to do is to transfer any amount of Ethereum or USDT from Linea or to Linea using ZK Bridge. And that was posted a couple of days ago, but you'll have some time to do that. And they're going to be airdropping these points on the 22nd, I think. So you have like 2 days. And it's also a really cool platform because it will help you to qualify for Polyhedra Network for the potential airdrop. So now when we're going to go back to it, you just want to swap from any other network. Like for example, you can select, we're not going to do it from Ethereum because it's going to be too expensive, but we can send something from Linea to, let's say Arbitrum or to Base. And once you're happy with that, with the amount that you send, so I can send 0.05 maybe, we can send it to Base, or we can do it like that. And we're going to send it to Base, and then you can send from Base to Linea if you want to use these funds again. And we want to use it because we've got the points for that. We also use the omni-chain technology because we're bridging from one chain to another one. And this is really important because you're not unstable. You don't want to just interact on one single chain. You want to use as much as possible like normal user would actually, use any other chain. And if you guys found this video useful, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, follow me on Twitter, and I'll see you in the next one.